everyone! I'm not my normal place anymore, and that's because I'm here with a friend of mine. Come on over, Winnie! Hi! How's it going? Is winter time coming up? Winter time's coming up! And you know what we do in the winter? Sometimes, some people like to decorate with trees in their houses.
And snowmen.
And snowmans, that's right, and snowmans.
I have a snowman right here.
You do?
It can turn on.
Wow. Wow. I want to show everyone. How cute. So your snowman lights up. That's so cool. What else lights up? We light up different colored lights sometimes. Yeah.
And that one.
And that one. Winnie has different trees in her house that are lit up with different colors. So people all over the world will light beautiful lights on trees and on their walls and their houses, because during the winter time it gets really dark and cold and it makes everything feel so much more fun, right? And happy and bright and colorful, and we love that so much. So Winnie, I was thinking, do you think maybe today, do you want to draw a holiday tree with me with pretty lights on it? You do? Oh, I'm so excited. Can I get a high five? Yeah! Let's do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So the first thing we need is some paper and plenty of colorful markers. I'm gonna start with green marker because we're gonna start drawing the tree first, and I like my trees in green. The first thing we're going to do is draw a diagonal line. So we're going to start from the top of our paper and just kind of come out to the side a little bit. And do one diagonal line. Awesome. Next, we're going to do a diagonal line coming from the top again, but coming out the other direction. So it's going to look like the top of a triangle. Perfect, just like that. Next, we're going to connect those two lines together at the bottom. You could do a wavy line, a little squiggly line, however you want to do the bottom of your tree. And connect them both. Perfect. Looking good. Next, we're going to draw the tree trunk. From the bottom of the tree, we're going to draw two lines like this, coming out from the bottom of the tree. There we go. Just like that. And then we're going to connect those two lines at the bottom again. It could be a wavy line or a straight line, however you want. And if you want to, you can color in your tree trunk now. Me and Winnie both decided we wanted to color in our tree trunks. Wonderful! Once you're happy with your tree, we can take a new color. If you want to, we're going to start doing the decorations. Winnie's going to keep doing pink because that's her favorite color. I'm going to add pink to mine. So we're going to draw these little wavy lines going across the tree, like this. And we're going to do a few of those. That is part of the tree decoration. It's called garland. It's the really long, pretty pieces that wrap around the tree. I'm going to speed up my drawing a little bit. There we go. And next, we're going to move on to adding some ornaments and pretty colorful lights. Winnie and I are both doing the same color. She's got a little bit of a head start on me. So we're going to draw dots all over the tree. We can draw the dots in all different sizes. There we go. We're going to make pretty colors. Nice. Look at our trees so far. They're looking great. I'm going to take another color now, and I think Winnie will too. We're going to take a bunch of different colors and keep doing the same thing. Winnie's a fast drawer, so I just had to catch up a little bit to her. There we go. Perfect. Looking so good. I'm gonna add another color again. And so is Winnie. So far, I have blue, pink, and orange dots on my tree. And Winnie has blue, green, and orange dots on her tree. Wow. Next, we're going to add a little bow to the top of our tree, like this, one little loop, like a little bunny ear. And we're going to do a loop again on the other side, like this. Perfect. Next, we're going to draw one line coming out from the center like this, and another line coming out from the other side like this. Sometimes it can be helpful to just watch and listen to the movement you need to make with your hand before making a new shape. So if you ever have a hard time, you can always just stop and rewind the video and watch again. Now, I'm just gonna fatten up some of my lines on my tree. I always like to go over some of my lines. And we're gonna also add some snowflakes. So one line going up and down, one line going across, one diagonal line, another diagonal line, and that's how you do a snowflake. I'm gonna do a couple more snowflakes. I don't know if Winnie feels like doing any more today. Wow, Winnie, what a beautiful snowflake, a little orange snowflake. She decided to do hers on the back of her paper. That's totally fine, you can do whatever you like. And I'm gonna add a couple more snowflakes to mine. If you wanna see a better drawing of how to do a snowflake, you can watch some of my other videos. Wow, look at Winnie's tree, it's so beautiful. I'm just gonna finish doing a little bit of little circles around my snowflakes to look like other snowflakes that might be really far away. There we go. And I'm gonna go over my garland, which are my wavy lines that are going through my tree again. The best part about drawing with a friend is you get to see how different everyone's art looks. We had so much fun drawing with you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Dance and play, with thee we find our joyful way. Through seasons' whispers we explore, painting dreams forevermore. Spring awakens, flowers bloom, in fields of green we find our room. With brushes bright and colors bold, a canvas of stories yet untold. Summer sun with golden rays guides us through the longest days. We paint the skies with shades of blue and capture moments fresh and new. Autumn leaves in here so bright, rustling softly in the light. We draw the trees with gentle care as nature sheds its vibrant wear. Chill brings frosty air, but in our hearts warmth we share. With crayons and paper by the fire's glow, we sketch the tales of falling snow. He leads us on this wondrous ride, on roads where imagination takes its stride. With every stroke and every hue, we learn and laugh as friendships grew. So come along on this creative quest, where art and seasons never rest. With these guidance hand in hand, we'll craft our dreams across the land. For springtime blooms and winter's white, our journey's filled with pure delight. In every season's gentle breeze, we find our artful melodies. Nature sheds its vibrant wear. Nature sheds its vibrant wear.